Hey everyone, now I will be showing you how you can use Loom to record. Okay, after you're logged in, this page will show up. And then, you can actually download the mobile app and the desktop app here, including the Chrome extension. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys how to use the website. Okay, first if you want to create a new video, you can just go down here and click record a video. Just wait for it. Okay, so now this page will show up. You can change the full screen into window, current tab, or camera only. And you can actually turn on the camera. Yep, it actually turns on. And you can actually change your mic, and you can change your camera as well. So I'm just gonna start recording here. Oh yeah, you can actually change the page here also. You can use entire screen, window, and Chrome tab. I'm just gonna use the entire screen. Okay, there will be a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm just gonna scroll down a bit and test the recording. Okay, let's stop it. Okay, now your recording is being loaded. Okay, now the recording's loaded, and you can actually add a summary, add a chapter, add a tag. You can actually do everything. You can actually change the title as well. Now if you want to share it to someone, you can just click share. And you can share with specific people with their email addresses or their names. And you can change the access here, so anyone with the link can view, member on Gamescape or your team can view. Only people added can access. So yeah, and you can copy the link here. You can share externally. You can share on socials. Okay, so right now I'm using the free version. You can actually upgrade the version. Here you can see there's actually 3 plans. The first is business, business AI, and enterprise. So the business one, you get unlimited videos, unlimited recording time, basic editing, remove Loom branding, and upload and download. With the business and AI, which is $20, you can get video enhancement, advanced editing, video to text, video variables, meeting notes, and recaps. And the enterprise is very complete. You can advanced security, advanced content privacy, custom data retention policies, Salesforce integration, and all of this stuff. So yeah, I guess that's just it, guys, for today. Now you know how to use Loom to record your videos. If you still have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below, and I'll try to answer all of it. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.